Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to create a group on Snapchat, which means if you want to create a group on Snapchat, which means if you want to start a chat with more than one of your friends by simply creating the group. Basically, a chat group is created on Snapchat so that you can simply send more snaps to increase your snap score. So you have to make sure that you only add that specific friend that can share snaps with you so that your snap score can be increased gradually. So for this you have to select your friends carefully. Now without wasting any time, let's start the video. So if you want to create a new group on Snapchat, for this you have to simply click on that chat button, and here you can simply see that the option of a new group, and here is written that you can only add only 200 friends in your group, and you have to make sure that if you have more than 200 friends, then you have to create more groups so that you can share uh, to specific snaps to that group, and you can simply increase your snap score. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply give a name to that group, and after that you can simply add your friends in that group. And after that, here you can see that you have to simply click on chat with group, and your group will be created on Snapchat. And before creating group, you have to make sure that you only add that specific friend that can simply share snaps in this group, and you can simply increase your snap score by simply sharing your snap with each other. Hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.